In this video, we will see code implementation. So now let's quickly see the code implementation of longest common subsequence using DP. Okay, so in this approach one, I will apply directly DP. I'm not writing the recursion code. So I will first create a DP of size m and n. Okay, so new array of let's suppose we have one, let m, okay, here let m as string 1 dot length. Okay, and let n is equals to string 2 dot length. Now new array of m dot fill with dot map of each element will be again a new array of size n. I'm filling with -1. Okay, basically this will be our DP. I have created a 2D array DP, and now I will call the function LCS of I comma j, right? So LCS of I comma j is if I is less than 0 or j is less than 0. In this case, I will directly return that. That's not the case. I will simply return 0. Okay. If I am finding any solution that is already present in DP that is not equals to -1, I will directly say return that DP solution, DP of I comma j. Okay. Now, if my string 1 of I is equal to string 2 of j, right? This case when it is equal, string 1 of I is equals to string 2 of j. In that case, what I will do, I will simply return, I should return DP. So I will first put the solution in DP of I comma j, that the answer will be 1 plus again the same function called LCS of I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay. So I have stored in DP, and then in the next case, what I will do, I will say else I will put because if they are not equal, then DP of ij will be of not 1 plus, it will be 0 plus method dot max of the two function calls. What are the two function calls? One is I minus 1 comma j, right? And one is LCS I comma j minus 1. Then after this, I will simply return DP of I comma j. That's it. Okay. And here we can directly say that return DP of m minus 1 comma n minus 1, right? So this will be our answer. DP will be filled, right? So this is, or not DP right here, this should be LCS because we are calling a function call. Okay, so this is my approach 1, right? This is my function LCS. Here I am returning LCS. So that means this is also inside one function. So remember this, whenever you put the code, this should comes inside this function. Okay, now let's talk about the approach 2, that is a tabulation method. Okay, approach 2, where we again create a DP because we have m and n, right? But the size will be different. So size will be m plus 1 and n plus 1 because we are taking -1 as a 0 case, right? So in that case, what I will do, I will first put, if there is a 0, put DP of I equals to 0. So also like I equals to 0, I less than equals to m, I plus plus. In that case, I will say DP of I comma 0 equals to 0. Same we will do for the 0th row. I can put I as well here. That is also fine. And it will go till n. Now, once this is done, I will say for let I equals to 1 because that is goes with 1. I less than equals to m, I plus plus. Then for let j equals to 1, j less than equals to m, j plus plus. Okay. Now equal case and non-equal case. So if string 1 of I minus 1, Okay, because we are checking in this way. String 2 of j minus 1. Okay, because see I and j are in DP, so 0 comma 0 in DP is representing minus 1 case, right? So I and j comma in DP will represent I minus 1 case, right? So string we are checking with this one. If they are equal, I can simply put DP of I comma j equals to 1 plus, okay, or let me copy that one quickly. Right, this was the case, right? Copy this one here, and now you can see that is an if case. If here, when these are string 1 of I is equals to string 2 of j, dp will not be LCS, it will be dp of I minus 1 comma j minus 1. So it will be I minus 1 comma j minus 1. And here it will be not LCS now or not LCS, basically the same with the dp. So dp of I minus 1 comma dp of j minus 1 comma, oh sorry, I minus 1 comma j, right? And here I with j minus 1. Yeah. So you can see LCS was I minus 1 comma j, right? So I have written dp of I minus 1, right? This will be my basically here for loop will run for 2 times. I won't return dp, so I can remove this one else condition. Okay, basically this will be my answer, and in the last I will return dp of m size n, right? M and n, why? Because we have created an m plus 1 size. So this will be m and n, my representing my answer, and that is my tabulation approach. Okay, so we have done with the tabulation approaches and the DP approach. So I hope you are clear with both the approaches. Okay, we have also did the backtracking stuff. Okay, how basically this these functions are calling. Okay, so yes, you can go ahead, you can apply these solutions to the Leetcode or any of the other platform. If there is a need, I will upload the video of dry run. Other than, I guess this solution is good to go. Okay, then till then, bye bye.